Hello everybody, this is Pete from PA Labs, and I want to give you a brief update on what I've been working on since the form process tool. And initially this is only going to be for Linux, but if the feedback I get is good, I'll go through and convert it over and make it a Windows product as well. Basically, I'm going to discontinue Class Builder. It's a good product. It's too buggy. I have overreach in what I wanted to accomplish. I tried to get it to do everything from soup to nuts, and that's a bad habit of mine. So basically trashing almost the entire code base. What I want to do is expand on the form processor tool that I just built. Clean, easy. I'm going to take this and add building database classes for your project as well. So also I want to build the enumeration types and generate the database SQL code. I'm going to keep the pieces of Class Builder that work and trash the everything else about it. This will be an unobtrusive development tool. It will present you generated code that you can then paste into your projects. It will give you the ability to inject code into your project, whatever your project structure is, with some minor configuration if you want. It works off of KDiff 3 in Linux, which is also the same KDiff 3 that's in Windows. And I'm going to expand the form process to include both of the other major form tools. Okay. In addition to working on this here recently, I have been, let's see, it's here. I've been working, playing with Crossover. And for those who are not in the Linux world, Crossover is Wine's great big brother. It is the commercial tool that's on top of Wine and has taken Wine far beyond what Wine does. And with Crossover, I've managed to get both Pure Vision 64 running at an acceptable level. And I've gotten IceDesign to the x86 version to work beautiful. So interestingly, with a few minor caveats, I've even gotten Paint.net to work excellent. So I want to expand the function that I built of process tool, simple, clean, here's your code, do with it what you want. That concept into here, the process tool, to include the other development IDE, the form generators, excuse me. And then I want to add in the ability to build database classes, which would give you the SQL to generate your tables in SQLite or whatever database engine you're using. It's going to be a simplified version here that builds your database class, presents you the code, and you can copy and paste it wherever it is you want it to go. I'm toying around with some configuration concepts that would let you be able to come in and say, hey, in my world, my projects, I want to put database classes at the root level or in this folder name or that folder name, and I will handle the injection of code into your project, automatically bringing up KDiff if it already exists, so you can merge the code. And if you don't want that, you don't have to do that. It'll just present you code and you can paste it wherever you want. It will give you the ability to build the enumeration types, use the enumerator structure as well in your projects. That way you don't hard code numbers, you just programmatically define enumerator lists and go about it. But again, the concept is going to be extremely simplified. Just do what it does best and let you do what you do best. So basically, I'm going to, with the advent of this rolling out, get rid of Class Builder altogether. This will have a whole new simplified help system, not the giant novel that's in there now. Basically, the problem with Class Builder is that I had too much scope creep. It tried to do too much for you, and therefore it did bad things to you. And with that level of complexity, I just couldn't get all the bugs out of her. I'm getting rid of the distributed database model, and this program will have its own database, a single database that houses everything. And I'm trying to greatly diminish the impact to your project. So with that in mind, that's what I'm working on right now. I need the tool in my Linux world. Class Builder doesn't work in Linux. It did halfway decent in Windows, but it really doesn't do in Linux what it was intended to do. So this will then replace it for me, and therefore give you guys a new tool. Now, when this is done, I'm releasing the whole source project of this. So if you like the concept or like how it does this or that, you can go in and change it if you have the desire. So this will also release all the source code for this as well. And that's what I've been working on. You'll be able to run this in addition to PureBasic. Write your PureBasic code. Use your favorite form generator if you want to use the form generation. You will be able to use this to just create database class sheets. There's no form tie-in mandatory stuff. There's no obtrusiveness to your projects. So with that said, that's the goal of this. It's highly simplified and trying to contain scope. So that's what I'm working on. I'd love to get some feedback if this is something that interests the viewers out there. Please drop me a line and tell me what you think. And that pretty much concludes this. I want to say thank you all for watching.